KHON2 weather, Chevy Chevalier.
Oh boy, Chris, there's a chance. Live shot with the Zephyr Cam, looking good out there, coming upon our sunrise. So this is going to be the case each morning and each evening. We have a chance for a nice mix of clouds and get it just right when we get a Bob Ross sunrise. Zephyr Cam bouncing a little bit because of the breezy conditions. Yesterday we topped out at 82. Pretty much a very similar day to what we saw yesterday. Phil Connors, is it Phil Connors? It's Groundhog Day, so I'm your meteorologist, Phil Connors, for today. Very similar to yesterday, a couple of showers on the leeward side, isolated in nature, and a couple of scattered showers, which means a little bit more, of course, on the windward side. 72 degrees right now. And what do you need to know? Just what you needed to know yesterday. I haven't changed this at all. We just have a chance for those overnight and morning showers through the week. And Big Island and Maui have a better chance for rain Thursday, Friday, and Saturday through the day, while the rest of us will clear out as we have been for the afternoons. But the wind still remains the main issue. You know, we had that landslide. We have, downed branches, things like that. We could have still downed trees. That's a possibility, and those rock slides. So be careful. The ground is still saturated, and we're getting more rain on top of it. Not heavy rain. That's good. But still, it's still a concern. So maybe even the possibility of a downed tree here or there. So just be on your toes here. If you know you're in an area that, gets things like that, and you know the ground, and you've had a lot of rain, be on your toes. So leeward showers here. You got some more showers for Maui County and some Hamakua Coast showers for the Big Island. So this is kind of a mess, but everything is still the same. Small craft advisory, gale warning, and the high surf advisory all till 6 p.m. on Thursday. Then the winds start the weekend a bit. The wind advisory goes till 6 p.m. Wednesday. I imagine they're going to extend that as well. Partly cloudy. Look at the wind speeds out of the northeast trades. A couple of showers during the morning, partly cloudy for the afternoon and for the next 7 days. I have everything peaking tomorrow with gusts possibly 50, 48 or over, then a little bit weaker on Thursday, and then Friday. It should be the end. After Friday, it should be the end of this weather event, and then the weekend looks fantastic.